Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a photographer or just an ordinary individual who likes taking photos and is actually skillful when it comes to it, and looking to earn some extra cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to earn money selling photos online with FOAP. Let's dive in. So what is FOAP? FOAP or FOAP is a mobile app and website that allows photographers to sell their photos and videos. It is designed for both amateurs and professionals. So here's how it works. First, download the FOAP app from the Google Play Store or App Store, or sign up on the FOAP website. Create your account by filling out your profile information. Once your profile is set up, it's time to start uploading your high-quality photos and videos. Upload your best photos directly from your smartphone, and make sure to add relevant tags and descriptions to help buyers find your content. Now, let's talk about the FOAP Marketplace. The marketplace is where your photos and videos are displayed for sale. Buyers can search for content using keywords, categories, and tags. When a photo or video is sold, you earn 50% of the sale price. Typically, photos are sold for $10, meaning you earn $5 per sale. FOAP also offers an exciting feature called missions. Missions are contests sponsored by brands. You can submit your photos to these missions for a chance to win cash prizes and have your work purchased by the sponsoring brand. The prizes can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings on FOAP. First, complete your profile accurately to attract more relevant missions. Second, enable notifications so you don't miss any opportunities. Third, check the app regularly to stay active and engaged. Lastly, promote your FOAP portfolio on social media and other platforms to attract more potential buyers. So there you have it. FOAP is a fantastic platform for photographers looking to monetize their skills, whether you're an amateur or a professional. It's a great way to earn some extra cash. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have you tried FOAP? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.